What makes Catbird unique is our location and setting is primary. We're located on Deal Lake on the west side of Asbury Park in an old cabin. It's a 100% wood-fired kitchen. We have a wood-fired oven. Hi, my name's Aimée McElroy, and I am the owner and pizza maker at Catbird in Asbury Park. Almost our entire core menu is cooked in the oven. It is my vision, and it's been my dream to work out of an oven like this, and I've been doing that for about 10 years now. Wood-fired oven cooking is unique because it is just that. It's very challenging. It is ever-changing. You have to really learn how to manage the heat, the fire, how fast things cook, how slow things cook. You have to pay attention all the time. That's what I love about it. Pizza, 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 pizza. Our most popular menu items are pizza. And pizza is the core, and it is the essence of joy. And pizza is just so much fun. It's so much fun. I could make pizza all day, every day, and not do anything else, and I would be in my happy place. For me, what makes it successful is when you and my neighbors and my friends and my family, you come and sit down and you eat, and it's magical. What surprises me about Catbird is it's my botanical bar, which is 100% non-alcoholic. The amount of people who are so excited about it. And it's been really fun to create classic cocktails without the alcohol, with beautiful flavor and to just share something a little different. I chose the name Catbird because I sit in a beautiful natural environment, and catbirds are indigenous to the Northeast, and they like to nest in the hedges. I came to Asbury Park for the diversity of community, for the beach, for nature, and the arts. I went to art school to be a sculptor. I weaned myself down to collage. You can see my art in my cabin at Catbird. Being a sculptor, I just love cooking. I love everything about it. And then I found bread baking, and that turned the corner. That was the hit. I needed someplace where I could expand as an artist. Being in the restaurant and cooking, it's the studio. It's the laboratory, and it is a never-ending expansion. Whatever I want to do, I can do. There's no limits. I love to build environments, installations. Catbird is the ultimate installation. This building has a legacy. I saw it as a really unique opportunity to preserve something because it's been a very big part of the community for a very long time. For anyone who's never been to Catbird, please come visit us, meet me, meet the staff, let us make you dinner. That's what we're here for. We want you to become a part of our community, and we want to share our love of food with you. And in return, hopefully we've given you a little bit of sustenance and joy, and you'll just keep bringing your friends and family back, and you'll help Catbird grow and really thrive. That would be really wonderful.